What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Florinda LaShay, and in today's video, y'all, I'm going to show you how I transform my old and crusty and busted faux locs, y'all. Keep watching. So, alright, so I had a pack of Beach Curl in the number 2, and I went out and I purchased Beach Curl in OT 27, and both of these are 12-inch. Now the reason why I got 12-inch feet is because the locs are 12 inches and I want the curls to be the same or a similar length, okay? So we're going to start off with some of our OT 27, okay? And I'm going to just take it out of the pack and I'm going to use the whole strand. And let's see where we gonna add her. Let's start away from my part. Let's add a piece down here. Let's start here with it. Okay. Piece. And so, like for the edge ones, I'm gonna actually go through the crochet lock instead of my hair so that I would not add any extra tension on it. So baby, we can just cut that off. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to actually stop and check it and see where we may need to add more pieces at. So far, so good. We need a piece in this middle back here. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the number 2 and we're going to do the same thing. I'm gonna stop there for now. All right, so now I'm gonna take some Marley hair, and this is, I think, 613. Okay, and it's just a half a strand. I'm gonna stretch it out. Okay, and let's decide where we want her to go. Let's put her here. So I'm gonna take it and make sure you stretch it. Okay, you want like feathery tips. All right, and I'm gonna kind of put it here. Wait, and I'm gonna go upside down. The same way you would do a normal lock. Okay, Make sure you keep your locks steady. And you're just kind of wrapping the 613 around it, okay? Just like this. And you can add as much or as little hair as you want. And you can kind of customize your crochet locks how you want them to go, okay? And you don't have to wrap too tightly, okay? Just wrap and go down as far as you want to go. Spray that hair out. It does not have to be perfect, okay, because these are boho locks anyway. So it doesn't have to necessarily be perfect. Okay, and then once you get down to the end, you can either wrap back up to seal it, or you can just continue to wrap around that same spot like I'm doing. Just try not to wrap too tightly, because then you'll see like a line where one lock ends and the other one begins, okay? Give it a little quick little roll. There we go, honey. Ooh, 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 say it ain't so. Ooh. Ooh, 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 the edges ain't even done yet though. Okay, so then we're gonna take I'm gonna do another 613. Where else do I want to put this? I got another half piece. I feel like I want one on this side. Let's put one down here. You can also take these out your head, customize them, and then put them back into your head if you are struggling to wrap with the locks in your head, okay? So this can be done in your head. It can be done before you get it installed. Okay, give it a quick little comb roll to make sure that those pieces are in, honey. And there you go, baby. 613. All right, and take some of this color. Let's see where we want to add her. Okay, cut it in half. Cut these tips off too. Make sure that your pieces are nice and fluffed out, and you have a tapered end. This is very important. It's not going to stick if you don't have that tapered end. Okay. Go here. No, let's go here. Move. Get out the way. Make sure you're going down when you're wrapping so that it will not be too bulky. Again, do not wrap too tightly because you're going to have a mess. And your crochet locks are going to end up being stiff. As far as you want, like if you wanted to add in another color, you can do that. Just continue. Just do the same thing that you just did, okay? So you're wrapping it all at the end. Give it a nice little palm roll. And sis, there we go. Customized locks. All right, so after you have your locks done, now we're moving on to these edges, honey. Like, we gotta get her all the way together. Okay, so I'm gonna use some of my Style Factor Edge Booster. Okay, before I do that, I want to find my part. As best as I can. Okay. Take some of my edge booster. This stuff will get white, y'all. So if you see white edges, just excuse us. We're going through some things. All right, honey, you cannot go without tying your edges down. So we're gonna tie our edges down and I'll be back with the finished product. All right, guys, so here is the finished product, y'all. I am absolutely in love with this style. Let me give you a spin. Check your girl out. You see me, you see me. I think it is so cute. And the 613 just adds a little spice to it right in the front, y'all. Oh my God, I am just so outdone with myself. Pat, 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 and check out them edges. Wait, don't get too close. Back up. All right, if you like this style, go ahead and please drop me a comment down below, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you are not, be sure to subscribe to my channel and become a member of the Beautiful People family, y'all. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. And until next time, peace, love, and happiness. Bye-bye.